See, the rose is so pretty, you see?
Yes, the rose is the one of the most oldest flower in the world.
Did you know the roses are edible? We can eat them.
The roses have different meanings and different colors.
Like red rose is for love and passion.
Pink rose is for gratitude, elegance and sweetness.
Yellow rose is for friendship and joy.
White rose is for peace.
And the roses are the national flower of England, Ireland and USA.
The roses have different meanings, different colors, and it is so beautiful.
The Juliet roses are so costliest roses on the world.
Thank you.
Hey guys, the roses are blue color, black color and all colors. Comment your favorite color rose or next